Hello everyone, I am Nagakritika, yoga trainer of Great Success Academy. First of all, I congratulate each and every participants and winners of yoga contest. The 5 days free yoga workshop was very amiable and I enjoyed teaching every one of you. You learned all the asanas well and proved your best in the contest. Each student had their own talent to prove yourself before others. I didn't expect this much perfection from all of you. Yoga is not just a meditation, it's about creating a deeper connection and awareness of ourselves. I hope every one of you to be healthy and fit. Once again, I congratulate the winners and the best performers of the contest. Thank you.